Choose either lane, then at the roundabout take the second exit.
So, we have just left Charlottetown, and we are heading west on a scenic drive, toward the Confederation Bridge. And the first thing I want you to notice, is how quickly the city disappears behind us. If you are from Toronto, Richmond Hill, or anywhere in the Greater Toronto area, you know what it feels like to leave the city. It takes forever. You drive through downtown, then midtown, then the suburbs, then more suburbs, and 45 minutes later you are still looking at strip malls and condominium towers. Here in PEI, that does not happen. Within 10, maybe 15 minutes of leaving downtown Charlottetown, we are completely in the countryside. Genuinely, in the countryside. You will see mostly rolling green farmland on both sides of the road. And then you see the soil, that deep, rich, red Prince Edward Island soil, you cannot miss it. There is nothing like that anywhere around Toronto. I want you to feel what driving in PEI is like for an Ontario driver. There is no traffic. No merging anxiety. No one riding your bumper in the left lane. No construction pylons narrowing 3 lanes into one. It is calm. Almost meditative. I am telling you this now because, for anyone who learned to drive on a busy Ontario highway, this kind of peace is going to catch you off guard. Not because of the bridge itself, we are going to talk about that in the next video, but because of what you feel, just driving here. It is the kind of drive that makes you reach over and turn the music down, without even realizing that you did it. Because the landscape is already doing everything. So, take a breath. Enjoy this quiet stretch of road for now. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss the crossing when we finally get there. Next stop, the Confederation Bridge.
roundabout, take the second exit on Route 1 West, toward Carlton, Confederation Bridge. At the roundabout, take the second exit on Route 1 West, toward Carlton, Confederation Bridge. Right lane to continue on Confederation Bridge to New Brunswick. In 1.2 kilometers, continue on Confederation Bridge to